Beekeeping. Beekeeping is also called as apiculture. Apiculture is the human activity of maintaining honeybees. Beekeeping is done by a beekeeper who is also known as an apiarist. The purposes of beekeeping is to collect honey and collect other products such as propolis, beeswax and royal jelly, or to pollinate crops and to produce bees for sale to other beekeepers. Beekeeping can be done using stinging or stingless bees. The bees are classified into queen bee, drone bee and worker bee. The queen bee lays thousands of eggs which are fertilized by the drone bee, and the worker bee are the active bees which collects the nectar from the flowers. Now coming to the types of bees, we have indigenous varieties, that is the bees that belong to our country, and exotic varieties which are brought from outside our country. Under indigenous varieties we have Apis cerana indica, which is also called the Indian bee, then Apis dorsata, the rock bee, and Apis florae, the little bee. And under exotic varieties we have Apis mellifera, which is the Italian bee, and Apis adamsoni, the South African bee. Among these types of bees, the high yielding variety of bee is the Apis mellifera. This is also called as the Italian bee. This is the high yielding variety of bee because the Italian bees have high honey collection capacity. Also, they sting somewhat less and they stay in a given beehive for a long period of time, and they also breed very well. Hence, beekeepers prefer this type of honeybees.